Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to turn your photo become black and white only with your iPhone without any additional application. So here, if you are using an iPhone, so the device that I use today is iPhone XR, the way to turn your photo become black and white without any application is just go open your photo library right here. And after that, you just need to decide which photo that you want to turn into the black and white or monochrome. For me, I would like to do it this. So here, let's change this photo from this colorful photo into the black and white. The things that you need to do, go click this edit button. And in this edit, you just need to take a look on this below part. Here there will be three sections. Here is to do the color grading, and here is the filter, and this is for cutting your photo. So we need to jump into the middle part, and here you just need to take a look or looking for the monochrome or black and white filter. There will be three options: monochrome, silver tone, and noir. And I would like to suggest you to use this mono. And after you're done, you just need to take a look on the result first. Probably you can just click the photo to see the original, and here is the comparison between before and after using the filter. And after you're done, you just need to go click done, and here is the result. The photo is already changed from colorful into black and white. So that's the way to change your photo become black and white only with iPhone. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.